Hello YouTube, I want to do a quick parts list on this LG television. Here's the model number. Manufacturing date is 2010. Here's our business card. If you guys have any questions, here's a picture of the back real quick. The inputs. Here's a picture of the pedestal, just to give you an idea what it looks like. Okay. Alright. Here's a picture of the whole television. It only has 2 boards, 3 actually, including the keyboard. First thing we're going to look at is the panel, which is right here. That's a panel part number. Here's the main. Okay. Part number off the main is, I don't know if, yep, that looks like a good number. Here's another number. Here's another label. Here's a, I don't know if this is the numbers off of the ribbon cables, but here we go. Might help. Okay. Here's a picture of the power supply. Okay, and the part number off of it is, here's something right here. That could be it. What else do we have here? Oh, here's something right here. Okay, and last thing we got is this little tiny keyboard. Hopefully it's easy to take out. There we go, it's real easy to take out, I guess. Here's the keyboard, that's what it looks like. And I think this is the part number. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, YouTube.